सही डेनियल साहब।
With my first application, there was a suspension of subjection. There were 3 persons convicted, my lord. One person is filed an appeal separately, that is criminal appeal 1331 of 24, that is Anil alias Chotu.
उसमें भी अनिल की तो ये लगी है ना 1331
जी,
आते
that
की।
prosecute, my lord, which I prosecute.
अच्छा,
The other 2, I believe, does not have an application for suspension.
उनमें नहीं है क्या कोई एप्लीकेशन?
उनमें नहीं है सर,
हैं?
उनमें नहीं है. And they are not my cases also, but I verified उसमें application भी नहीं है.
Three accused tried. You
3
are
accused
condemned.
tried, all 3 convicted, my lord.
All 3 convicted.
Simply, yes.
हाँ, चलिए prosecution story बताइए।
Now, if I may be permitted to take, my lords, I'll just give my lords a brief first, and then I'll take my lords into the documents. The date of incidents, my lords, is 21/6/2021.
21/6/21.
The deceased person is a young lady. She went from her house in order to answer the call of nature at 7:30 in the morning.
Disease का नाम क्या है?
If my lords permits, it is Kumari Chanda. The 3 accused persons, my lords, were Anil alias Chotu, Nilesh,
And Ramkishan.
and Ramkishan. Now, at the very outset, my lords, I'll submit that there was the case mostly rests on forensic evidence. The DNA report is there. In the DNA report, my lords, articles were seized from all 3 accused persons. Insofar as the present accused person is concerned, the DNA report does not match with anything on my person. The DNA report is Exhibit P37.
Eyewitness पे देखें, this is just one part of the eyewitness chapter. Last scene के witness कौन था? नहीं सर, इन्हीं से तो हाँ जी बताइए आगे।
Now, my lord, that is the DNA report, my lord. That insofar as the accused person Anil alias Chotu is concerned.
उसके DNA नहीं मिला है। ठीक है।
Now, my lord, the remainder of the case depends on circumstantial evidence, my lord. And I'll just take very briefly, my lords, into that aspect. Now, my lords, the case begins from, my lords, Exhibit P1, which is the Marg intimation, my lords. Would I request, my lords, to have Exhibit P1, my lords? The complainant in the matter was one Hariram, who happens to be the uncle of the deceased. He lodges a report rather immediately, my lord. Incident is of 7:30. She had gone by 2:30, that is 14:29. The Marg intimation was lodged. I'll read, my lords, 3 lines from the top. That is the relevant part. आज दिनांक 21/6/2021 के सुबह करीब 7:30 बजे मेरे मंझले भाई मैयादी लोधी की लड़की कुमारी चंदा लोधी सच एंड सच के लिए खुरन की पहाड़ी तरफ गई थी, जो करीब 2 घंटे तक इसके बाद घर वापस नहीं आई। तो घर वालों ने चंदा लोधी की खोजबीन आपस की तो चंदा नहीं मिली। फिर चंदा लोधी की बड़ी बहन सीमा खुरन की पहाड़ी तरफ ढूंढने तक गई। साथ में चाचा का लड़का कमलेश भी गया। तो चंदा लोधी पहाड़ी के पीछे तरफ खकरी के पास खून से लथपथ पड़ी हुई थी। फिर वहीं पर गिर पड़ी और कमलेश ने घर आकर बताया कि चंदा खुरन की पहाड़ी के पीछे खून में लथपथ सखरी के पास पड़ी है। इसके बाद हम सभी परिवार के व गांव के व्यक्ति वहां पर गए और वहां जाकर देखा तो कुमारी चंदा लोधी खत्म हो चुकी थी और चंदा के गले चोट में काला निशान था, चेहरे पे सच एंड सच इंजरीज हो गए। नाउ इफ माय लॉर्ड्स विल जस्ट सी exhibit P19, Malas, which is the first information report. P19, Malas, was lodged at 11:46 p.m. the same day on 21/6/2021. Right. My lords will see in column number 7 of the FIR, they still do not know who the accused person is.
ठीक है।
जी. And my lords, it's a reiteration of the same version. Now, my lords will just see the first statements given by these persons to the police, my lords. They have been, I'll just show, my lords, exhibit D1. This was a statement given the next day of the incident by the complainant to the police. Now, my lords, I will not bother my lords by reading right from the top. It's a virtual reiteration of what has come. But if my lords could just see, my lords, the 6th or 7th line from the bottom. It begins from मेरी भतीजी की किसी व्यक्ति ने. May I read from my lord?
Hmm.
6th or 7th line from the bottom, my lord. मेरी भतीजी की किसी व्यक्ति ने हत्या कर दी, फिर मैं अपने मौसी के लड़के फूलचंद लोधी के साथ थाना जाकर
तो ठीक
रिपोर्ट।
है, हमारे गांव में किसी से कोई बुराई नहीं है,
नो
केवल
जस्ट
पड़ोस के भागीरथ लोधी का लड़का आकाश लोधी
यस
और मेरे भैया की लड़की सीमा लोधी, दोनों का प्रेम प्रसंग चल रहा
जी।
था। दोनों को मेरे भाई की लड़की चंदा और चंद्रकुंवर ने कई बार एक साथ देखा था।
जी
तो चंदा ने आकाश को डांट फटकार दिया था।
जी।
मुझे शक है कि मेरी भतीजी इतना। अब नाउ आकाश का स्टेटमेंट कहाँ आता है?
Akash is nowhere in the picture.
नोवेयर इन
Akash is not an accused. Akash is not a witness. Akash is not in the charge sheet. Akash was never examined.
ओके,
And surprisingly, my lords, the entire evidence of Akash.
आपका नाम कहाँ से आया?
Now, after that, my lords, they say that now they take me into custody, my lords, on a memorandum. That is exhibit.
अरे भाई
जी।
किसी ने तो नाम लिया होगा ना आपका, तभी तो मेमोरेंडम लिया आपके ऊपर। आपका आकाश से क्या संबंध है?
नहीं, मेरा आकाश से तो कोई संबंध नहीं।
Are you related to Akash?
No,
in
I'm
some
not
manner?
related. Akash is nowhere in the picture, my lord. They just abandoned the Akash version there.
That is fine. I'm
जी।
asking you that whether you have any relationship
No,
with
no,
Akash.
no. I actually don't have any relationship, and neither it is in the evidence that I have any relationship.
Okay.
In both aspects, I can answer.
Okay.
Now, if my lords will see my memorandum on 25/6/21, that is
Exhibit
P7.
P7. Huh.
Now, my lords, P7 was recorded. In P7, my lords, then of course, everybody is assigned a role that we followed. Now, the story over here takes a somersault. In the memorandum, they make a story that Nilesh, that is one of the co-accused persons, he had an eye over the deceased person. And he went with ill intentions towards the deceased person. And of course, there was animosity over there, and then she was done to death. This is the memorandum statement, in furtherance of which a shirt was seized from my possession, which does not match up with the DNA.
जी, फिर क्या हुआ?
Now, my lords, to answer my lords' query as to how I got introduced into the story,
जी,
on the 22nd, as I read out before, my lords, this Akash story was before the investigating
Yes.
agency. I will not go into that in too much detail. They abandoned the entire Akash story, and with a delay of about 2 to 3 days, the statements, my lords, of this girl Seema is recorded.
Hmm.
Now, if my lords will see the statement of Seema,
that is PW.
PW.
Exhibit क्या है उसका?
हाँ जी, I was just showing my lords the statement. That is exhibit, my lords, D4.
D4. जी.
Now, my lords, before we can go through the detailed statement, may I request my lords to have the third page of her statement with the date.
Yes. 24/6.
That is 24, 26 or 21 minutes. That is, I leave it to my lords. I will not comment much on that. But that is how this story comes forward. Over here, my lords, with a delay of about 3 days, the version comes that when Seema was going to look for the deceased, as is in the MRG also, at that time she saw 3 persons fleeing the spot. She doesn't see me commit the act. She doesn't see anybody commit the act. 3 लोगों को वहां से भागते हुए देखा. That is the substratum of the statement.
Right.
And she also talks about Akash in her statement.
आपका जो वो है
जी
मेमोरेंडम है,
जी.
वो किस तारीख का है?
My memorandum, my lords, is 25/6/2021.
तो यहाँ से आप आए?
जी.
ठीक
That's why I said to answer my lords' query.
जी.
Depending upon the interpretation of the date, my argument is, my lords, even if we give the benefit to the prosecution that this girl took my name, after which I got introduced into the prosecution story, I leave my case only, my lords, after reading 2 paragraphs of the IO statement.
जी.
If my lords could have the IO, he is prosecution witness number 11, my lords.
जी.
Has my lords gotten PW 11?
क्या कहते हैं PW 11?
My lords could have paragraph number 6 and 7.
जी.
Para 6 and 7, my lords.
Para 6 and 7 पढ़ी.
Now, my lords, I'm reading from the 5th line in para 6. Of course, prior to that, he says that he reached the spot by about 12 o'clock or 12:30. I am reading Millet's fifth line. यह सही है कि जब हम लोग घटनास्थल पर पहुंचे तब वहां मृतिका के परिजन, पुरुष, महिलाएं, बच्चियां, बच्चे एवं गांव के अन्य लोग घटनास्थल पर मौजूद थे। यह सही है कि जब मैं घटनास्थल पर पहुंचा था उस समय उपस्थित मृतिका के परिजन एवं गांव वालों के द्वारा किसी ने भी आरोपीगण के विरुद्ध कोई शिकवा शिकायत नहीं की थी। जब मैंने रिपोर्ट दर्ज कराने के लिए कहा तब मुझे बताया गया कि परिजन में से कोई थाने अभी अभी रिपोर्ट दर्ज करवाने निकल गया है। पैरा 7, मैं दोपहर 12:30 बजे घटनास्थल
ठीक
पर
है,
पहुंच।
पैरा 7 में
जी
कि उन्होंने आपका नाम नहीं लिया, तब दो सीमा वाज प्रेजेंट एट
जी
द रेलेवेंट टाइम।
जी
जी
Now, my only submission before my lords is largely two aspects in the case.
जी
One is this piece of circumstantial evidence
जी
that these three boys were seen running away from the spot.
जी
My only submission or assertion before my lords is that in the light of me not being named in the original investigation, the aspect of Akash coming and being for no good reason abandoned, later on with a delay of about 3 days, my name being roped in this fashion, that would make this circumstance slightly doubtful.
Okay.
The second argument, Millets, would be that the forensic evidence in this case, Manoj,
वो तो
forensic
forensic
evidence,
पहले ही बता दिया।
जी, that could have been used to corroborate my case had this.
अपार्ट फ्रॉम सीमा,
जी
आपके जो दो को एक्यूज जो उनका भी तो मेमोरेंडम होगा ना, नीलेश का और रामकिशन का, वो
जी
क्या
जी
कहता है
जी
वो तो दिखाएं।
yes. Now Ramkishan's memorandum, my lords, is P6 and Nilesh's memorandum is P5.
P6 में रामकिशन क्या कह रहे हैं?
जी, I'll read out for my lords.
ये तो इन्हीं का नहीं का मेमोरेंडम।
The admissible part is this is Ramkishan Mallo. घटना के समय मैंने सफेद रंग की शर्ट पहन रखी थी जिसे मैंने अपने घर पर कमरे में छिपा रखी है, चलो चलकर बरामद करा देता हूं। This is what Ramkishan says.
P13 41 बहुत पहले। देखने चेक करने से जी।
Well, it's just before I part with my lords, this matter even traveled.
हम्म, मुझे बोली नहीं कि डीएनए में भी थी, फिर लिखा रहा हूँ, DNA की। जी बताइए।
Malad, in the memorandum statement of Ramkishan Lodhi, Malad, he has named him as the co-accused Malad.
उसके बाद फिर रिकवरी किस चीज की हुई?
Malad, recovery.
मेमोरेंडम के कंसोनेंस में रिकवरी किस चीज की हुई?
Malad, that's it.
अभी सब नोट्स बना के घर से लाया करिए ना,
Sorry,
यहीं पढ़ेंगे। फाइल कब मिली थी आपको?
11 o'clock at night.
रात को 11 बजे ना, अभी तो 12 घंटे का समय गुजर गया।
Malad, the record was not available, Malad. I can testify from the witnesses that from the lower court's order, Malad.
जी, तो आपने क्या देखा फाइल में?
Malad, prosecution, the witnesses number 3, 8, and 6, Malad, they have corroborated that they have seen them running after the incident.
386 देखते हैं, कौन है 386?
उक्त साक्षी अर्चना, Malad, paragraph number 40.
जस्ट अ मिनट। 3
Abusance.
दिब्बू लोधी, शंकर दयाल लोधी, शंकर दयाल लोधी के हियर से है ये, 3 हियर से है। हाँ। और सीमा ने अगर देखा था तो बताया क्यों नहीं 24 तारीख तक? जांच करने के लिए घर आए थे और सीमा अर्चना दोनों की प्रेजेंस दिखा रहे हैं आईओ साहब घर पर। चलिए।
क्या बताया? 3 है
और 8, 3 6 8 बताया था ना आपने?
But I'm sorry, not teen, ma'am. It's 11, my lord. Neeraj Lodhi also.
अच्छा नीरज 11 देख लेते हैं, चलिए। 11 ने क्या बताया? राधा कृष्ण लोधी क्या कहते हैं?
आईओ है सर 11।
ये तो यही तो कह रहा है कि आप वो घर पर आप लोग थे और जो है आप लोगों ने कुछ नहीं बताया। उस समय उपस्थित मृतिका के परिजन को किसी आरोपी का कोई शिकवा शिकायत नहीं की।
Yes.
उसे नाम बताए हैं जिनमें मृतिका चंद्र कुमार की बहन सीमा, अर्चना, द्रौपदी और चंदा के पिता भैयादीन, चाचा शंकर दयाल, हरिराम एवं चचेरा भाई कमलेश के द्वारा मुझे आरोपीगण के विरुद्ध किसी प्रकार की कोई शिकायत नहीं की गई।
My lord, Bhagwan Das Lodhi, abusing sex number 10, my lord. In paragraph 19, my lord.
पैरा
Should I read it, my lord?
भगवान दास, एक मिनट रुक जाइएगा। हाँ क्या कहते हैं भगवान दास? पैराग्राफ
Paragraph 19, my lord.
जजमेंट का मत पढ़िए, यहाँ से बताइए एविडेंस से क्या कह रहे हैं ये। हाँ कह रहे हैं ये कि इन्होंने करीब 1 डेढ़ महीने बाद फिर पुलिस ने मुझसे पूछताछ की। मैंने बता दिया 1.5 महीने बाद बताएंगे, पड़ोस में रहती है।
I admit there are lapses, my lord.
श्री विशाल विंसेट राजेंद्र डेनियल लर्नेड काउंसिल फॉर द अपीलेंट अनिल एलियस छोटू heard on full stop heard on IA 2593/24 an application for suspension of sentence. बाकी सब लिख लीजिएगा judgment और conviction, ठीक है? He submitted that he is innocent. He has been falsely implicated. Exhibit P39, which is the DNA report, does not favor conviction of the present appellant as mixed profile obtained from his shirt does not match with the profile of the deceased. Full stop. It is submitted that Seema PW
6 में
Seema
सीमा
had given her case diary statements exhibit D4 on 24/6/2021 saying that when she had gone along with her uncle to search for the deceased and she had seen the 3 accused persons running. But according to PW 11 IO of the case, the persons including Seema, Archana, etc. were available at home on 21/6/2021 and they had not said anything about any of the accused persons. Full stop. It is submitted that he has been falsely implicated. Full stop. It is further submitted that though DNA profile of Ramkishan Lodhi and Nilesh Lodi has matched with the samples of the prosecuted of the deceased, comma, his sample has come out to be negative. There is no witness of last scene. There is no proper witness of last scene. He is innocent. He has been falsely implicated. There is no criminal history. श्री आपका शुभ नाम बताइए.
Veer Vikrant Singh.
हैं?
Veer Vikrant Singh.
वीर विक्रांत सिंह
Yes,
for the respondent. आप तो दिल्ली में होते थे ना?
sir.
हैं?
Yes, sir.
कि तो नियुक्ति भी शायद दिल्ली के लिए है.
Sir, attachment क्या है?
अच्छा अटैचमेंट है यहाँ पर.
Sir,
Okay.
actually, the basic problem is कि
ठीक है, नहीं नहीं ठीक,
So
कोई
we
दिक्कत
got
नहीं. हमें
the
हमें
correction.
पर्सनल हिस्ट्री में इंटरेस्ट नहीं है.
Sir.
सिर्फ हमने पूछा है. ऐसा लिस्ट आई थी तो उसमें ऐसा याद पड़ता था कि आपका अटैचमेंट दिल्ली का था. चलिए क्या लिखा? Say Veer Vikrant Singh opposes the prayer without any basis. Okay, there is no criminal history. Trial is going to take time. Without commenting on merits, 50,000 2 short fees.
Highly obliged.
It is made clear that bail to suspension of sentence to Anul alias Chotu will not be a precedent for co-accused Ramkishan Lodi and Nilesh Lodi, as their DNA profile is positive as per Exhibit P39.
let the